Here's the important fix for your iPhone stuck with a software update error on screen. Unable to verify update. Unable to install. Verifying update. An error occurred. And software update failed. First, ensure that your iPhone is connected to stable internet over Wi-Fi. Don't use public or office Wi-Fi, which might be restricted for device updates. The next check is Apple servers. Go to the website Apple System Status and check if all services are up and running. If there is any maintenance in your country, then wait for service to be up and working again. The second solution is to check if the VPN is not enabled. Disable it from the VPN app or from the iPhone settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to VPN. Disable the toggle. Or under the General, scroll to the VPN and Device Management option. Delete the VPN profile to completely remove the VPN connection from your device. If everything is fine, then ensure that you have the latest downloaded software update file on your iPhone, or try after re-downloading. Delete the old iOS file from Settings. Under the General tab, tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll to the list of apps installed on your iPhone. Find the iOS version downloaded to your iPhone. Tap on the iOS software file and select Delete Update. Ensure that there is enough free space to install the large iOS update. Under the same screen, check available free storage space on the iPhone. Recommended free space, 10 to 20 gigabytes for major iOS updates. If something is stuck or software glitches, then try after a hard reboot of your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen after the black screen. Update using Mac or PC. Use your Mac or PC using Finder and iTunes respectively. Connect your iPhone to Mac via a USB-C cable. Unlock your iPhone and trust the computer. In the Finder window, click on the iPhone name on the left sidebar. Click on Check for Update. Download and update iPhone to the available version on Mac or PC. You should wait if there are silent issues, like Apple servers being overloaded and your weak internet speed. Switching to another Wi-Fi is successful in many cases. That's it. If you have any question, then comment below, and like to support me if you found this video helpful.